Hello, everybody. Welcome to our seventh episode of KTO Institutional Ask Me Anything series. As you may already know, I'm Gokay from KTO Institutional Services. I would like to remind that our team manages a wide range of institutional clients, including hedge funds, institutional traders, high net worth individuals, and family offices. Today, we have very exclusive interview with the LiquidityTech Protocol and the LTP, as you know them, is a primary broker for the digital assets and bringing the centralized exchange to decentralized exchanges. Please welcome our guest, Monica Yuan, Head of Marketing and LTP. Thank you for joining ARM. And Monica, it's great to see you. How are you? How do you feel?
Hi, everybody. Nice to meet everybody here. So it's very nice to be here, be with Gokay and be with Gate to share some insights and for discussion. Yeah, I feel good to be here.
Yeah, I'm also so happy about this. First time I have like women in my AMA, so I'm honored about this. Welcoming you.
Yeah,
So
my
let me
pleasure.
let me give you like little background of this. So during this AMA session, we will be discussing with LTP in role of digital markets and their vision and for the future and how they are addressing some challenges faced by institutional clients. So without further ado, let's dive into the discussion. So Monica, tell us a little bit about yourself. Who is Monica Yuan and what's your background?
Okay. Yeah. So my name is Monica. I'm head of marketing at LTP. So I have been in this marketing game for quite some time now. So I'm also a retail trader myself. So totally get this in and outs of trading industry. So over the years, I had the chance to work with a bunch of Fortune 500 companies and the finance companies. So many focus on commercial and marketing projects. So through those experiences, I have gained a deep understanding of the company strategies and market trends. So yeah, I'm very excited to share more with the LTP about what LTP doing. Yeah.
Definitely, I would like to hear about it. And how did LTP come to life and how it's positioned in the market right now?
Okay, so I will give you a little bit short story of LTP. So LTP is founded back in 2021 by two guys who really passionate about like digital asset and has a deep understanding of professional trading. So which is our founder Jack Yang and our co-founder Hao Xia. So our whole deal is to acting as a middleman between different exchanges and platforms. So we have now around 300 institutional clients on board already. So that's like not all. Our annual trading volume is now around like 300 billion US dollars. So that is to say we have proud of ourselves making a good progress so far. One of the things that I want to set us apart is our focus on safety and transparency. We work closely with the exchanges and the custody providers to make sure that our clients their assets are secure. So we always looking for the new and innovative solutions to keep things transparent and above board. So right now we offer DMA and rapid trading solutions that they are like lightning fast and affordable and designed to give you a total peace in mind. So we are also big on partnerships. We work with all the big names in the industry to make sure that we are always the cutting edge in security and technology. And when it comes to prime broker for digital assets, so I believe LTP definitely is the cream of the crop. We are known for our high quality and reliable services, and our reputation speaks for itself.
Mhm. Thank you so much for a great explanation. And I'm also like interested in LTP. Long time I heard them before, like it's your company. I know it's like very respectful company, and I would like to know more about it. So let's move on. And I would like to know what is LTP current focus?
Okay, so here is the thing at LTP, we are now all about making things easier for institutions. We know that the digital asset market can be a little bit overwhelming. So we have like create like trading solutions to handle all the small like details. So this means that you like all our clients can focus on what really matters, which is getting more like profit, especially when you are like a quant fund or like high frequency trading firms. Our low cost, like low latency solutions can always give you the edge that you need to maximize your profits in the tough market. And also, we are not stopping here. We also collaborating and integrating with exchanges and custodians to build a whole system for custody, clearing, and the settlement. So that's like all about transparency and multi-party supervisions. So our clients can trust their funds are secure, which is pretty important in the current market, and everything is happening, and their trading executions are accurately and very efficient. So with LTP service, our clients can trade on different exchanges, let's say very like smoothly. So all in all, our goal is to make this digital asset trading as easy as profitable as possible. Our like user like friendly trading services and our like commitment for transparency and the security, we are like very confident that LTP is best like choice for institutions to go ahead in the digital asset market. I'm trying to like hard sell here.
That's totally fine. Like, if you are good and, there is nothing to wrong to show off. That's amazing. And okay, so now we heard about LTP businesses, and I assume like our viewers, would you like to know about the more people are who is standing behind the firm? And so can you tell a little bit about them?
Okay. I think like our teams are from all over the world with, I think, all kinds of backgrounds, and we all work together to come up with the best practice strategy for staying competitive in the market. So one thing we are really proud of is like our working environment. We have been putting a lot of effort into creating a space where our team can function at their best, like comfortable, functional, and conducive to be more creative and more productive. And that's all thanks to our like CEO Jack and our co-founder Hal. So they have been very instrumental in building this company from the ground up. And our like their friend leadership has been a huge part of our like the progress and success. So at the end of the day, we believe that the good leadership is the key to any company's success. And we are lucky enough to have the leaders with extensive backgrounds in professional trading, research, and very good connections in the industry. And also, generally, they care about the team and their well-being. So it's a kind of culture that sets LTP apart and makes us such a good place to work.
That's great. Like such great environment can create like best services and solutions. And when people are free, like there is a brainstorming and like there is the good ideas where they came from. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And what is the differentiates LTP from other prime brokers in the market, and how do you stay ahead of the competition?
Okay. So we have been really focused on keeping up the latest technology and the trends in the industry. So that's really helped us to stand out from our competitors. So by investing in the technology and building a system that is both transparent and secure, so we able to offer our clients the best possible experience. But that's not only just about tech. So we have also worked hard to build strong relationships with other key players in the industry, which is super important. Our partners with Seifu, which is a Binance custody, and Fireblocks, for example, have helped us to improve the security and the transparency of our custody operations, which is a big deal for our clients. So all of the efforts that have helped us position as a leader in the space, and we are really like proud of what we have achieved right now.
Yeah, that's amazing because like As I know, like you trying to be open for everybody and also
Yeah.
be safe. That's good, and also like updated in the services in the industry. So you're trying to be lead. So that's like making the difference, I think, for LTP. And
Mhm.
so after that all explanation, and I want to know like what are the biggest challenges you're facing in the cryptocurrency industry today, and how it's LTP addressing them.
Okay. Yeah, that's a very good question.
Yeah.
I think the digital asset industry now have facing a lot of challenges like security threats, the credit risk, and the very high entry barriers. So which makes like the majority of the population in on Earth like hard to get in the industry and trust the industry. So, but there are some ways to tackle those issues, like better custody and more oversight,
Mhm.
and the stuff like so LTP is currently working on. I have mentioned a lot of building a secure and transparent
Yeah.
system. So I think now a lot of companies are like doing this, which is the good news. Like now people all care about how to rebuild the trust in the industry, how to build a safer environment for everybody in the industry. So especially after this like whole FTX crash,
Yeah.
and like now we see more companies facing serious challenges.
Mhm.
So rebuilding trust is super important. Taking this step, like what we are doing and all the other companies that they're doing, so we definitely think we are pushing for a stable growth. So which is,
Mhm.
I think, good for everybody.
Yeah, definitely, because like all these black swan events, actually, like from my side, like I am kind of, let's say, not happy, but kind of okay with it because it helped to build cryptocurrency blockchain technology further away. Like because
Yeah,
there is a problem some coming, and some people are really working on hard on solutions and to make the things safe and
yeah,
trustable. This is really amazing. And
yeah.
so, how do you interact with exchanges or other market participants, and what's the role of partnership play in your business strategy?
Okay. As a,
Mhm.
I think as a prime broker, our role is to connect with the exchange and the custodian and liquidity and other partners. For example, they providing data and other services. So we have this policy and workflow engines to make sure the trades are executed accurately and create a safer environment for everybody involved by partnering with exchanges and custodians. So we create this system. Like I mentioned before, needs to be transparent, efficient, and secure. So this will give us our clients the confidence that we are getting the best possible trading experience for them in this like digital asset place.
Yes, this is exactly the true. Like if because also like we see on this gate, like after this
Yeah.
some events are happening,
Mm-hmm.
our volumes was getting increased because I believe that like our clients or retail users or who is like have connection with Gate, we was proving them like Gate is a very trustable platform, and we will keep
Mm-hmm.
continue building this. And I think everybody should do this to be open, like transparent, and to make the market, to build the market on based on trust. So thank you for your great answer also. And I want to also know like how has LTP was experience been so far with working with Gate.io?
Mm-hmm. When it comes to trading platforms, security and like safety are
Mhm.
always on the top of the mind. So I think that's exactly Gate delivers. So Gate has been in this space for over 10 years, and that has like so Gate also like served millions of users. So I think a lot of people believe that Gate is a very trustworthy platform. Plus, I think Gate really provides a very diverse range of trading assets with like good quality, which means there are always plenty of like trading opportunities available on the platform. So I personally find that the trading platform is very user friendly, and whether you are, I think, retail investors or an institutional investors, Gates has very flexible product offerings, from spot trading to futures and options. I think it make really easy for you to find like all kinds of like products you need, and the products best for you.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Like, because what's I think make us different, like what I see internally, like we like to get feedbacks from our partners, like clients, as LTP, for example. We would like to get connected. Like, for example, this AMA is an example. We would like to share our thoughts and feedbacks and develop the market together. And thank you for your great answers for as a gate like connection. That's amazing.
Pleasure.
And could you also like provide like any insights into the future direction or plans for your company?
Okay. I think our core, we are about like empowering institutions and professionals in the digital space. Our goal is to provide the top level services and infrastructures and the knowledge that meet the highest standards of institutional grade quality. So we take the commitment of our clients seriously, which is why we always prioritize delivering the very high performance security transparency in everything we do. So yeah, but we don't stop here. So we always find the ways to innovate and improve our trading solutions and our platforms to stay ahead of the curve in the constantly evolving digital asset market. Ultimately, we want to be the go-to partner for institutions and the high net worth individuals who are looking to not only maximizing their returns, but also managing their risk effectively. So we are passionate about helping the clients exceed in the exciting world of digital assets. And we believe that our dedication to excellence set us apart from the competition.
Yeah, that's great. And I think if there is like any institutional clients would you like to contact with LTP, I will able to share after the contact details in YouTube videos, and you can find it so in our blog, and feel free to
Of course.
connect with them. And so we are almost the end of our main section about LTP. So I would
Mhm.
like to ask, what are your general expectation for 2023?
Okay. Looking to 2023, I think we can expect some big changes in the financial market. So also including the digital asset industry. The market interest rate cycle seems to be at a turning point, so which means there will be likely some turbulence and significant changes to come. Unfortunately, I think the crypto industry already experienced a few collapses in 2022, so leading to some significant loss for investors. So, which is not good. But as a result, I think now the regulators are paying more attention to the industry and implementing oversight measures on fiat currency, stable coins, and other crypto-related matters. So which will definitely test the industry. Despite those challenges, I think the long-term development of this crypto industry will always be driven by technology. So there is, I think, some good news, I think, on the front. We will see more exciting progress in Ethereum upgrades, layer 2, and ZK technology, and smart wallets. I think which those will help pushing this industry towards the next bull market.
Yeah, I think the same, because right now what we have right now, I like how I can explain this all like crypto sector and everything. Like it's like kind of like little child, and it's slowly start trying to walk, and sometimes it's like there is some bad events happening, but every time it's getting stronger and developing faster and more trustful. So as you say, like layer 2, I think it will be also like great focus for our viewers, and they can check like what kind of projects and tokens is in layer 2, and that will be interesting. And thanks for your insight, it's really helpful, and I think our viewers go and check and find out more like what we talk here. And finally, what would you like to our audience take away from today AMA session? What it will be important thing?
Okay. Yeah. So I think a lot of people try to navigate the digital asset like directions, but I think it's really hard to like actually navigate the landscape. It's quite tough. But we believe that the clients, individuals who can like minimize their risk in the market, are the one always be very cautious and informed. So like we think that growth take time. So patience is very important in the rapid expanding market. So conducting through research and like staying vigilant can help make the informed decisions in the unpredictable market. So I think ultimately a cautious approach and patience are the key to success in the digital asset space.
Definitely, definitely. So thanks for all your sharing great information for us. So I would
Pleasure.
like to say, Monica, it was really pleasure to having this AMA with you, and I appreciate you talking through your time and your insight and your knowledge with us. Your response has been really true and informative, and I'm confident that our audience has gained a better understanding of LiquidityTech Protocol. And I would like to encourage our audience to learn about more LTP and the services they offer. So I think like they can visit their website as a LTP, so and read their reports and analysis and get touch with their team and learn more about like how they can be institutional clients and how they can go into the digital asset needs. So before I will wanna end our session, Monica, would you like to add anything else?
Yeah, so if like everybody, anyone interested in our services, please check more details through our link. So we would like to share more details with you. And if you personally want to talk about like more crypto related stuff or like trading experience with me, happy to just like contact me on my like Telegram or Twitter. So I'll be happy to share more thoughts and insights in the industry. Yeah. Thank you for everybody.
I think I will definitely keep in touch with you. Thank you so much. So
Thank you.
this is Gokay from Gateway Institutional Services. Please give like to this video, subscribe to our channel, and write your feedbacks and questions and in the comments. And let us know who would you like to see in our next episode. And happy to be your gateway to crypto. Have a good day. All the best. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Bye.
So it was great.